Automatic Compensation FCS Express 5. In this short video, we're going to learn how to create an automatic compensation and how to apply that compensation matrix between different layouts. To get started with the Compensation Wizard, click on the Data tab Compensations. Then click on the green plus button icon to create a new compensation. Click on the folder icon to add your negative and single color controls to the wizard. Match your control data files to the parameter from the drop-down list in the Compensations Navigator. Once complete, click on the Build Histograms button. The Build Histograms button will create different pages in the layout for your scatter plots and each of your control samples. If you need to adjust the parameters on your scatter plot, do so, create a new gate, and replace the existing scatter gate with the new gate that you have created. You may now proceed to review each page for your control samples in the layout and adjust the markers accordingly. After your markers have been adjusted, proceed to Step 5 in the Compensation Navigator to calculate the matrices. The automatic compensation procedure is now complete. We will now cover how to save and apply compensations between different layouts. We will first rename the compensation that we created by right-clicking on the compensation and choosing Rename. Enter a name of your choice. We will now save the compensation we created by clicking on the Save icon in the Compensations Navigator. Enter a name to save your compensation with and click Save. After you have saved your compensation, you can open a new layout and load data into the layout. Click on the Compensations Navigator, click on the Load Compensation icon, choose the compensation you previously created, and click Open. The compensation will now be available within the Navigator, and you can apply it to any plots or data as you'd like. Alternatively, you can open two layouts side by side. You can drag the compensation from one layout to another layout into the Created Manually folder. The compensation will now exist within that layout. You can drag and drop the compensation onto a plot to apply it, and you can even save the layout, which will save the compensation along with the layout. You can now save the layout. After you close the layout and reopen it, you'll notice that within the Compensation Navigator, the compensation that you had previously opened within the layout will exist within the Navigator. You can load new data into the layout or continue using the layout with your saved compensation. There are many additional videos on compensation and other FCS Express 5 features on the Novo software website. Please contact support at Novo Software with any additional questions you may have.